Hello and welcome to another Adobe After Effects video tutorial where we're going to be teaching you how to animate text. So the first thing I did was I clicked on this and created a new comp, and I just called it Media Arts 5. You will notice that I moved this up here so that I could have more timeline and made this smaller, but that's okay. So this is actually 1920 by 1080, so it's a very large one. We're only at 25% right now. I'm going to grab the text tool and I'm going to type in with caps lock on Media Arts. And you can use whatever word you want for this. Now I've got it centered. I chose Arial Bold. You can choose whatever text you want. It's 72 pixels. And so this is the character palette, and there's other things you can choose around that. You can set the line weight. So I've got no fill, and I set the line weight to 3 pixels. So you can do whatever you want on that. All right, so now we have Media Arts here, and I'm going to open this up, and you will notice that on the text we can animate. And I'm going to start off, and I'm going to animate the scale. Now, immediately, I'm just going to set the scale to 50. That's going to be our beginning point. And the reason nothing's showing when I change is because I have my caps lock on. It won't let you update it. So another thing I can do is press the Z key, and I can circle on that to zoom in on it, which is a kind of a nice thing. And I'm going to go back to my black arrow tool. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open up my range selector after I set my main scale. So I'm going to open up my range selector. And this takes a bit of understanding. The start and the end, this confused me at first. The start is the animation is going to start from the front end. And if you animate this, it's going to start from the back end. So watch when I go like this. So see how when I go to 0 to 100%, how it pushes it back up to the original size. Okay? When I go the other way, it goes from the back end. So we're going to leave this alone, and we're going to leave this here, and then we're going to put in a keyframe. So put in a keyframe because I want it to start small and get big. So we're going to leave the end piece alone. We're going to use the start. Then I'm going to move to somewhere around 2 seconds, and I'm going to go here. So that animates. Then I want to animate a rotation into it. So as it comes in, it's going to rotate. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to animate rotation. And you can do whatever you want, but I'm going to go like -66. You hit enter. So it starts there, and it rolls up as it does it. So that's the same amount of time you want to take to do that. Then I'm going to add a third animation, which is opacity, and I'm going to bring my opacity down to 0. So as it animates, the opacity comes in as it rolls in. And that is how you animate text. You obviously can do more things to it. You can change all of these when you do it. So that's how you animate text in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching.